Hi, today in this video we will learn how to use Read Theory program. It's hard to believe that it's freebie, but believe me, it's actually free. Read Theory is a powerful educational tool that offers online reading activities for all ages. Thousands of skill building exercises are available as per the reader's need. In this video we will learn what is Read Theory, how can we do sign up, what Read Theory does, can we check our progress there, and many more. Since we all have been shifted to the online learning platform where we are getting opportunities, where we can improve our listening and writing. But what about reading? It's hard to get feedback for the reading, right? We all require a teacher or maybe guider who can help us and share the instant feedback for our reading skills. We are at right place where we can learn how does Read Theory can help us to improve and enhance our reading skill. My name is Kajal Singh and this is my channel So Far So Good. As always, if you appreciate the information which I will provide you in this video, you can show me your support by hitting the like button to this video, sharing it with your friends, teachers and students whom you know, and subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell icon so that you will not miss my weekly updates. Read Theory is an online reading comprehension assessment tools for the students. It allows students to read narrative, informative or informational comprehension questions. On the same time, students can track their progress. It's free for all the users. Now let's see how can we sign up to this website.
So first of all, we will click on Google search button where we will type readtheory.org. We'll click on search button. Here it is asking us to sign up. Let's click on sign up. Now we will get interface in such a manner where it will ask us to sign up as a student, as a teacher and as a parent. We'll select the option student. I will click on sign in with Google to follow. I will click on So Far So Good. It will take some time. So here we will write our first name, the first name which you had used while creating your Gmail. So here it will take S. Last name I can find and I can write Singh. Age is optional, however you can add it as well. Class code, it's optional. So basically your teacher will provide you a code to join their sessions so that they can track your progress. We'll click on next as I do not have any class code for now. So basically here we have to read this information which helps us and guide us to complete 8 questions that will take somewhere 20 minutes. Once we complete, we will get the next available option. So let's accept it. I'll click on I'm ready. Lovely. Students will automatically be given a short pre-test where you will find 8 questions. This can be used as a benchmark. Here, after reading this passage, I need to select an answer. Let's suppose I have completed it. After reading the passage, we will get a question to select the answer. I have selected option A. And then for the next question, I will click on the bottom option that is available. And this is how we will complete all the questions to check our Lexile level. If you see, it's written grade 2 for 460 Lexile. I will answer the questions So here successfully I have completed my all 8 passages and I'm ready to get the instant feedback. Let's click on enter program. So after completing 8 passages, I have received another passage as per my performance. You see, it's for grade 2 with 400 Lexile level. Now let's suppose I would like to know my performance, that how well I performed, to get instant feedback. So you see, I have received a passage where I need to answer. Let's suppose I have read this Snow Fun passage. I will click for the answers and later on I will be asked to submit. I'll go for the next question. After reading the passage, I will click on the questions that I have received. I'll click on submit. You see, here it is saying that's correct. You earned 1 knowledge point. So if you answer for any questions correctly, you will get the knowledge point for the same. We'll click on next question and the question will be again from the same passage. Let's suppose B can be the answer. This time it's incorrect. Definitely I will not get any knowledge point. Here we have received an explanation that will help us to understand why the answer is incorrect. It will definitely help us to comprehend well with the passage's understanding. Let's click on the next question. Again we will get another question from the same passage. I selected B and this time the answer is correct. And you see, I received 3 knowledge points for the same. Now this will be the last question. I will click on that. It's unfortunately incorrect. And you can go with the explanation that will help you definitely to understand what will be the correct answer. I will click on finish and score. Here it will provide you an instant feedback where you need to work on. Now we want to know how and where we can find our progress. We will click on 3 dots on upper right side and we will select desktop side. I will click on that. Alright. Here I will click on my progress where it will show how my progress was increased. Here it is showing my progress. If you see, the progress level is luminary and I have received 5 knowledge points for the same. If I talk about quizzes that I have passed, that is 0 out of 1. Till now I have attempted 1 quiz, that is why it shows 0 out of 1. If I talk about pre-test average that was considered as a appropriate, that was for the benchmark to know our exact level, I had received 400 Lexile and the questions were from 2nd grade. After that I had taken a test that was for 1.5 grade and the Lexile score that I scored that it was 235 Lexile. Here it will show you the grade level progression as per the quiz that I have attempted. If we go further, it will share the progress in terms of passages which I read. Let me rotate my phone. It can be easy if you rotate your phone. Click on third option. It will talk about my data writing. Till now I haven't attempted any quiz which will ask me to write. So here it's not required as of now. You click on my teachers. If you want to connect with your teacher or you want them to track your performance, you can write the email address and invitation. The moment you will send, your teacher will be notified and can accept the request. That will help you to get proper guidance. Want to help and support this program? You can also contribute some money. So this is what we all had in this new. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you are looking for the new updates and for any other applications updates, you may definitely drop a text in the comment box. I will definitely bring that informative videos in front of you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.